Hey guys, update on quantum computing, QBT. Yesterday we were at like minus 14 or 15% with the market open. Since then we have bounced even 11%, but we dropped back and closed on like approximately plus 5% from where we started. Now pre-market suggests plus 6% almost. Let's see if it can continue. It might just be that it opens and it drops. Yesterday I talked about this wave 4 going too deep here in pink. That's why I wanted to cancel all like discount and just put this fifth wave here to complete this third wave. But because we had this immediate push back to the upside, we went above the 618 for this wave 4 in pink. And then we also had no overlap here with the wave 1. So I keep the door open still for this scenario that we are working still with this double 1-2, and we will get one more fifth wave in this third in red, and then one more 4-5. Of course we need to watch it closely because the structure is not so pretty. It looks a little bit like what we had here, 1-2, 1-2, 3, and then you would want the wave 4 like this, but we went down pretty bad actually here, pretty deep. Then here you have the same but smaller, 1-2, 1-2. We have the third. Wanted to see this, but instead we got the drop, but it's holding. I said yesterday we have the volume profile of this range because this was a massive volatile range, a lot of volume. We had this value area high, point of control here, value area high, offered support. So let's see what it's gonna do today. If we drop lower, then I'm gonna put this here and I'm gonna assume this third finished here from this, and then we will get a wave 4, but this blue wave 4 can't take as long as this one because it's even a higher degree. So we had this wave 2 here, and then we had this long of a wave 4. For this wave 2 we will also get a longer range, so it might turn into something like this, very frustrating, but we need to see. Because of the price action yesterday and because of the green pre-market, let's still keep the door open for this scenario that we're not ready with this fifth wave in white yet. But if it fails today and we go deeper, then I will delete this and I will put this here. So levels to watch. If we take now this 618 level, for me, I have this on my chart here because if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna start a 5 wave move to the downside, again here your wave 4, I don't want it to go above the 618. Like in this case I want it because I want price to go up, but it would be an invalidation for this scenario if we can go above and close above the 618. But in case price drops again, support levels are this value area high again, then we have this point of control here, the gap here, the range here, and invalidation is at 17.87. So one more zoom in. I thought yesterday this looked a little bit like a 5 wave move. We didn't have the highest volume here because of the buy at the start of the trading day. But just because it's the start of the trading and we were at minus 15%, I'm gonna see it as it's okay. Normally I want to see highest volume in the third, but for the rest this not the shortest wave. In your wave 3 you don't have overlap, and wave 2 doesn't go below your wave 1, so that's nice. Then I pulled fibs yesterday, these from the low to the high, and we are finding support at the 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci's. And yeah, now this might be an internal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then in this fifth. I'm just thinking, I'm not saying it's gonna happen, but it looks good. This was a good area to buy in my opinion. We had a lot of support. I bought at the opening right away, so I'm up already a little bit, and if today goes as well, might be, yeah, another good day. So yeah, that's quantum computing. Very interesting chart, very interesting company. Definitely worth keeping an eye on, because they raised a lot of money. So yeah, keep developing. They say they want to use it for, yeah, how do you say it, for commercialization and for making their products, like being able to produce them. But yeah, that's something you should go into and dive for yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.